first YouTube video, and today we are going to learn how to make a mango cake. For the ingredients, first of all we need sugar, which is half cup, that's 100 grams, sliced mango, which is 1 cup and 175 grams. Then we need half cup of oil, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, 1 cup of Maida, which are all-purpose flour, which you can also take as 120 grams. Then we have 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. At first we'll take a mixer where we will pour the oil in it. Then we'll put the sugar. Then the sliced mangoes. And now we're gonna grind it. As you can see how well it has mixed, we will pour this in a mixing bowl first. Then we will add some flour, which we have to sieve, the baking soda, and the baking powder. Which we have to sieve. After that we are gonna mix it well, beat it slow. As you can see, slowly it's mixing up. And you can see the texture will be something like this. Then we will add the milk powder, which was 15 grams or 2 tablespoons. And the vinegar. And we have to beat it well. So this is how the texture will look like, with no lumps left, as you can see. Then we're gonna prepare the mold. We're gonna grease it with oil, that's vegetable oil. Then we will line it with the butter paper, and we can add some flour to it. So this is how it will look like. Then we can pour the batter into it. Then we have to pat it hard so that we can settle well. So guys, after it has settled well, we're gonna take a big bowl and we're gonna put some salt in it for the heat, because as you know, salt and sand, they absorb heat, and which would help to make our cooking much more well. And put a lid or some kind of thing like this on it. Then put the batter in it. Then cover it with a lid. After that we're gonna put a cloth on it and tighten it with clips so that no air can come out from inside. And let me remind you of one thing: do not preheat the bowl, because you don't have to just preheat it. First of all, just cook it at medium flame for 2 minutes. Then after that at low flame for 35 to 40 minutes. You can cook it for 35 to 40 minutes if it is not cooked well, but the time is for 30 to 35 minutes. So if it's not cooked well, you can just take some more time, cover the lid up, then again check it after 2 or 5 minutes. Then hope it will be okay. Now guys, you can see it's already been 35 minutes. Now I'm gonna open the lid. Now you can see the result. I'm gonna try it with with a toothpick so that if it comes out clean and well, so you can understand that the cake is it's fully done. See, it's already clean. So guys, this is how my cake looks from the back and this from the front. And hence for this cake's icing or glaze, we're gonna prepare a mango glaze. First we will heat the kadai and then we're gonna pour in the mango puree or the mango paste and let it use low flame. Then as per your mango, if it's sweet, you don't have to add sugar in it, but as my mango is a little bit sour, so I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of sugar and stir it nicely at low flame. So guys, after 8 to 10 minutes of heating it, so this is how the mixture looks like, or the puree looks like. It's so thick enough. Now we're gonna cut the cake into 2 halves, and now I'm gonna apply it. As you can see guys, I've already applied in the half layer. So guys, as you can already see that I have applied and I have put the other layer on top of it. Now I'm gonna apply it on the top layer also. Glazing, this is how my cute cake looks like. You can also garnish it with some cashews. You can see this is the result of my cute cake. Thank you guys and lots of love for me. Please like and subscribe my channel. This is my first YouTube video, so I was a little nervous, so I was stammering a lot, but please forgive me. With lots of love, Sudipto and my mom.